They give us an equation now, and then it's not the typical writing method. Usually we don't write colon, but we write in terms of fraction. So we just make it back to the standard format. So we have this equation, and beware what is your target. It's impossible for you to get x alone because x can be many different values. What we are calculating is x to y, that means x over y. So don't get lost. Our target should be x over y equal to something. That's our target. To do so, we just solve it like the normal equations. Both sides times 6 because I don't want 6. At the same time, both sides also times 2x plus y because I don't want that denominator. So in left hand side, 2x plus y divided by 2x plus y give you 1. What is left is just 6 and 3y minus 4x. Right hand side, 6 divided by 6 give you 1. So the factors left are 5 and also 2x plus y. We handle the bracket, remove it. So 6 times 3 we get 18y, minus 4 times 6, 24x. 5 times 2, 10x. 5 times positive y, positive 5y. At this moment, x and y, we can't combine them to form one single term. So to simplify it, we want to group everything to one side, every similar thing. So 18y, remove that plus 5y, that means both sides minus 5y. For this term, we both sides plus 24x. Therefore, we can combine them, and then it gives us 34x in right hand side and 13y in left hand side. Don't forget our target is create x over y. So I want over y here. X over y, I divide both sides by y. This one disappear. So 13 is equal to 34 times of x over y. I don't want 34, so I can both sides divide by 34. We have 13 over 34 is equal to x over y, which means that x to y is equal to 13 to 34. We get the answer D. One thing to remind you is some of you may not realize that how come we can separate them. 40x over y. That means 34 times x over y. That means 34 over 1 times x over y. That's why we can separate it and get 34 times of x over y.